Alright guys, so this one is a bad throttle body plate right here. Look at that, it's vibrating. And this one is a brand new one, and you can see there's no vibrating. As I increase the percentage and opening, it's nice and smooth. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna replace a throttle body on a Chevy Malibu 2011. So this one is inline 4, so it's really easy to access the throttle body right there. First you have to remove the electric connector, and there are 4 bolts to remove this throttle body right here. So just in case you have a code for P2135, so that is pertaining to the throttle body precision sensor. And here is a new one, and you can torque this bolt from between 90 inch-pound to 120 inch-pound. My rule of thumb right there, because the intake is plastic, so you don't want to over torque it, or you might if you torque by hand, so you might damage the intake. So just make sure you use your torque wrench, inch-pound or Newton meter. So that's the easiest way to go. So the reason I recommend the torque wrench, because it's evenly torqued all the bolts, so the pressure is fully By the way, I also have this repair. So if you have a code for P0300 and you don't know what is the cost or the potential cost, so this one is give you a basic idea and what is the problem and how much it's gonna cost you. So this one is just a beta test right now, so the link is down in the description. You are welcome to use this one, and make sure you have a Facebook Messenger in order to use this one. So all the instruction is in the link in the description. So once everything is torqued down, and all you have to do is connect the electric connector back on for that throttle body right there. And once you're done with that, then you're gonna move put all of those intake, or you can double check if you have a scan tool right here that is capable of commanding the components. So for this example right here, as you can see, it's very smooth. So that one is 70%, and wide throttle out open. It's not fully wide yet, so it's about going to wide throttle open to 100% right now. Oh, there you go. As you can see, the plate is moving very smooth and quick. It's not so vibrating. So the last step is you wanted to install the air tube. I don't know what that's, the intake air tube. Big hunk of junk right there. This can be very challenging sometimes. So there are 3 points of contact on that. One is the throttle body, second is the oil cap, and the third one is the grommet behind the glove box, behind the air box right there. And I don't know why I use a manual ratchet for. I have no idea. Probably my battery is running out. For the electric impact. So that band is screw is 8mm. So just in case you wonder. And the next step, you want to, if you have a scan tool, a bidirectional scan tool, you can use it and double check your code and read all the data. Look at that, it's nice and responsive right there. Really good. As I depress the gas pedal, I didn't feel any kind of chugging or any kind of slight delay, so it's very responsive compared to the old throttle body. So this one is to make sure your throttle body desired angle is 18% and the throttle position indicator is the same. So make sure they are both agreed, and also the accelerator pedal is also agreed with the throttle body sensor, as you can see right there. And AAP sensor 2 is the same as the throttle body. So every time I replace the throttle body, and I always check this, so making sure the gas pedal is not without sync with, is not the same as the throttle body, so make sure they are the same. If not, suspect your gas pedal is bad. So it's supposed to be the gas pedal and the throttle body has to be in sync so that they can work properly. So the reason the code showed up for P2135 is a throttle body position sensor. Sometimes it's the it can be a throttle body and it can be a gas pedal. So just making sure you have a good scan tool. Well, that is it, you guys. So that is all I have for you guys today. So just remember, if you have a code for P2135 and you have a bidirectional scan tool, you can check and actuate the command your throttle body and watch the throttle plate. So if they vibrate, replace them. If not, suspect the other component such as a gas pedal. Then I will see you next time. Luke is out.